Hello everyone, James is here. Welcome again to Easy English Talks podcast. If you want to watch this video faster or slower, you can adjust the playback speed.
And hi everyone, I'm here too. Today's topic is very interesting and very important. We're talking about how to speak English fluently without thinking too much.
Yes, this is a big problem for many English learners. You understand English, you know grammar, but when you speak, you stop, you think, and silence.
Exactly. Your brain is like, wait, is it go or went? Is it correct? And then the conversation is already finished.
Yes, and the other person is already talking about something else.
So today, we will help you speak more naturally, more smoothly, and with less thinking.
Let's start with a simple truth. If you think too much about grammar while speaking, you will speak slowly.
That's right. Speaking is not like writing. When you write, you can stop, check, and correct. But when you speak, you need speed.
So the first tip is, don't try to be perfect.
Yes, this is very important. Many learners want perfect grammar, perfect pronunciation, perfect sentences.
But perfect is the enemy of fluent.
Wow, that sounds deep.
Thank you. But it's true. If you wait for perfect English, you will never speak.
Let's give an example. Imagine you want to say, yesterday I went to the store.
But you're thinking, yesterday, go, went, I go, I went, I have gone.
And finally, you say nothing.
But a fluent speaker might say, yesterday I go to the store, went to the store.
That's okay. Small mistakes are normal. Communication is more important.
Exactly. So tip number 1, focus on communication, not perfection.
Now, tip number 2, use simple sentences.
This is a big one. Many learners try to use very complex sentences to sound smart.
But that makes speaking slower and harder.
Let's compare. Complex sentence. Although I was very tired after work, I decided to go to the gym because I wanted to stay healthy.
Wow, that's a long sentence.
Now, simple version. I was tired after work, but I went to the gym. I want to be healthy.
Much easier and still clear.
Yes, native speakers also use simple sentences in daily conversation.
So don't worry about sounding fancy. Simple English is powerful.
Tip number 3, practice speaking every day.
Even if it's just 5 or 10 minutes.
Yes, speaking is a skill, like playing guitar or football.
You can't improve if you only read or listen.
Exactly. You must open your mouth and speak.
But some people say, I don't have anyone to speak with.
That's okay. You can talk to yourself.
Yes, this is a great method. It may feel funny, but it works.
For example, you can describe your day. Now I am making coffee. The coffee smells good.
Or talk about what you see. I see a car. The car is red.
Simple, but very effective.
Tip number 4, think in English.
This is very important if you want to stop translating.
Many learners think in their native language, then translate into English.
That takes time and creates stress.
But if you think directly in English, speaking becomes faster.
Let's try a small example. Imagine you see a dog.
Don't think in your language first, just think, nice dog.
Or, the dog is running.
Start with simple thoughts. Slowly, your brain will get used to English.
Tip number 5, learn phrases, not just words.
Yes, this is a game changer.
Instead of learning only the word take, learn phrases like take a break, take a shower, take your time.
Because in real conversation, we use phrases, not single words.
Exactly. And when you learn phrases, you don't need to think about grammar every time.
It becomes automatic.
Tip number 6, listen a lot.
Yes, listening helps your brain understand how English sounds naturally.
You can listen to podcasts, YouTube videos, movies.
And try to repeat what you hear.
This is called shadowing.
For example, you hear, how are you doing today?
You repeat, how are you doing today?
This helps your pronunciation and rhythm.
Tip number 7. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
Yes, nobody is perfect.
If you make a mistake, just continue speaking.
Don't stop and panic.
Think of mistakes as your teachers.
That's a nice way to see it.
Let's do a quick example conversation.
Okay,
I say, yesterday I watched a movie.
I understand you. Maybe I correct you. Oh, you watched a movie?
And I say, yes, I watched a movie.
See? Communication works and you learn.
Exactly.
Tip number 8. Speak slowly at first.
Yes, fluency is not about speaking fast.
It's about speaking smoothly.
If you speak too fast, you make more mistakes and feel nervous.
So slow down, relax, and speak clearly.
Speed will come later.
Let's add one more idea. Enjoy the process.
Yes, learning English should be fun.
Watch things you like. Talk about topics you enjoy.
If you enjoy it, you will practice more.
And if you practice more, you will improve faster.
So let's quickly review.
Don't try to be perfect.
Use simple sentences.
Practice speaking every day.
Think in English.
Learn phrases.
Listen a lot.
Don't fear mistakes.
And speak slowly.
If you follow these tips, you will speak more fluently and with less thinking.
And remember, fluency takes time.
Be patient with yourself.
Step by step, day by day, you will improve.
And one day, you will speak English naturally without thinking too much.
That's the goal.
Thank you for listening, everyone.
Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends. Bye and see you next time. Bye-bye.